Hi everyone! In the past, Microsoft offered the ability to color folders in OneDrive for web. Now there is a new feature that is involving the OneDrive client installed on your Windows machine. This means that when you set or pick up a color for a folder, this will be synchronized and reflected in your Windows File Explorer, and vice versa. Let me show you in this walkthrough tutorial how you can change colors and how these are reflected in your Windows File Explorer. Let's go. And here I am in Microsoft365.com or Office.com. I'm going to open now in the left pane OneDrive. Opening OneDrive, I'm going to click on the folder so I can see better the structure of my directory. So I have many folders here. So as you can see, I have YouTube colored as red. Now let me color videos as well. So let me go on the three dots, the ellipsis button, and here there is folder color. Now I can decide a color for this folder. Let me select this one, for example. And here we go. Now I have a new color assigned for videos. In the meantime, let me open my Windows File Explorer, and what I have here is the YouTube folder colored with red, and then I have the new color already applied in File Explorer to this folder, videos. But let me do the same, but with a different approach. I'm going to apply now the color directly from the File Explorer, and let's see if this will be reflected immediately in OneDrive for web. So let me now select this folder. I'm going to right click on that one. Then let me go on OneDrive, and here there is this option folder color. Now I have the same experience and I can select another color. Let's go with this one, which is more similar to the real color of loop. Okay, now I assigned a new color. This will be not immediately available. Oh yes, here we go. In just seconds, the color is already applied. So this is now a new way to color code your OneDrive directory, so you can have at a first glance immediately an impact and what folder you need to open. Alright, we have seen how to color folders in OneDrive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Let me know if this feature is useful for you, you are going to use it. Alright, I hope to see you next time. Bye.